सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some GK quiz games for kids. Quizzes can be really fun to play and you can make your kids different topics. This game is called Odd Game. Outline your kid how to identify the one that is not related to the ones in the groups. So now we are starting our session Theater Ticket Movie School. The question School. Right answer brinjal, potatoes, cabbage, chocolate. Chocolate. Why chocolate? Because brinjals, potatoes, and cabbage these are vegetables, and chocolate is different thing. So we have chosen chocolate. Medicine, injection, ointment, and laptop. Laptop. This is the right answer because medicine, injection, and ointment. These all substances are connected with doctor, and laptop is different. Breakfast, dinner, lunch, photograph. We'll watch this question answer. Breakfast, dinner, and lunch. These are connected each other, but photograph is different. So photograph is right answer. Next question. Television, history, science, math. This question answer. Television. This is the right answer because history, science, and math these are subjects, and television is different. Knife, poison, gun, books. Books. This is the right answer because knife, poison, gun. These are different things. Next question. Paper, poster, book, rug. Rug. This is the right answer. Flower, tree, sock, and grass. So, sock is the different for all these. Next question. Earrings, necklace, wood, bracelet. Wood is a different. Sarah, Rita, Fauna, and Matthew. Matthew is a different name. So today we have watched some different type of GK questions and answer and their answers. I wish you will enjoy this session. And now I am completing my session. Namaskar.